everyone go like this. Hanging after?
Yeah.
Glad it did.
450 did that for a while.
What happened to it?
What?
It stripped the gear.
Oh. You good? Clear?
Yeah.
You gotta stop by my hobby shop, Chris. All right, on the hobby shop.
That's right, it does. Look at these eating up Bob.
It was flying that good though, like that. Like it was only making a little ticket. You know?
That's surprising. I'm really lucky that you walked up.
I know. Could have been disaster. They just went all the way down. I would have been like, great, perfect. You know? They would have just been going all the way down.
Yeah, take that as a lesson learned. Check them before you put them back in the air.
Shoot.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Where's the other piece?
You have to go on the. I'll be down there. My goodness, the whole flight line down
The field mother. Yeah. That's to help people mind
Leave everybody's schedule on, you know? Kind of a bummer when you gotta leave with no hint. Going.
Got it.
Okay? All right.
Like motor gas,